Posterity is a noun that refers to all future generations, or the people who will live after the present time. When something is done for posterity, it is done with the intention of benefiting, informing, or impacting those who come after us. This word often carries a sense of legacy, as actions, records, or creations intended for posterity are meant to endure and be remembered. Origins of posterity. Posterity comes from the Latin posteritas, meaning future or following. It was first used in English in the late 14th century and has maintained its focus on future generations, sometimes with the implication of preserving memories, wisdom, or values. How to use posterity. Posterity is frequently used in discussions about preserving history, leaving a legacy, or making decisions that will benefit those not yet born. For example, writers and artists may create works for posterity to ensure their insights or achievements endure over time. Similarly, conservation efforts are often aimed at preserving natural resources for posterity. Example sentences: the artist dedicated his final work to posterity, hoping it would inspire future generations. The archives were meticulously preserved for posterity, holding centuries of knowledge and history. Similar words: legacy, something handed down from the past. Descendants, people born after one's own time, particularly within a family. Heritage, traditions, achievements, or property passed down from previous generations. In essence, posterity emphasizes the idea of thinking beyond the present, acting with a sense of responsibility toward the future and those who will inherit what we leave behind.